Hey everybody, it has been, oh my god, it feels like forever. I know it's been since February for sure, since I filmed last. I'm actually here to do a hair tutorial today. Ignore the mess behind me. Like I said, this is eventually going to be in a functioning room, but as of now it still isn't. I am going to be doing a hair tutorial today using a brand new curling iron that I got. It is the Sculpt Infrared Curling Iron. Sephora, I believe, makes these, and Aria Beauty. So this is a 1 1/4 mirrored black titanium barrel. It is adjustable to 400 degrees. 400 degrees. Far infrared heat protects hair while styling. So this is what it looks like on the back. It's pink. It's really cute. I paid, it was $75. I think it was about 80 something after shipping. Yeah, as I said, I'm a huge packaging whore. That is very cute. I do have a major annoyance with Sephora that they send you a product in this big ass box and the product may only be really little. So I chose, use my points to get the new Smashbox Biggest Fan mascara, I think is what it's called, with this, and I got this, and then I got the mascara sample, and the mascara sample is only this big, but I got the mascara sample in a separate box, and then I got this, and I got it in the same order, and they sent me this big ass box for this mascara sample, and I was like, when the box is like I have the box right next to me. They sent me this big box that had this 2-inch mascara tube in it. I was like, that is so wasteful. I don't know why that's such a huge pet peeve for me, but it's a huge, huge annoyance for me. So this has a really long cord on it. I haven't used a curling iron, like an actual curling iron, in forever. I kind of wish I would have gotten a smaller one, but this was the only one that they had. It's got 3 buttons on it and a little temperature thing on it, clamp. I think this lights up when it's on. Yep. Okay, let's turn this on. Get it heated up. The cord's really long too. Alright, so it's on. How do you know? Oh, it's on the side. Okay. This is the temperature thing. I don't know if you can see it. But it's on the side right here. So I want it up to 400 because I have a lot of hair. And while that's heating up, I'm going to go ahead and get my hair ready. If you haven't noticed, I have no makeup on because I'm going to film a makeup tutorial right after I get done filming this. My hair still feels kind of damp. Okay. I'm going to go finish blow drying my hair and then I will be right back. This will have had enough time to heat up and I will get this thing going. Okay, I'm back and my hair is nice and dry. Smells really good. I use the Fanola NutriCare Nutra 1 10 Action. It's a restructuring spray mask, like a leave-in conditioner. It smells really, really good. And now I'm going to take the NutriCare restructuring fluid crystals. This also smells really good, like melons or something. I just take a couple pumps of it and then just kind of work it through my hair. And I will leave a link of these products below because I actually have a discount code from Fanola. They're my favorite hair brand. And I am lucky enough to have been sent a ton of products from them just because I love their stuff so much. I don't sell it. I'm not a distributor. I just love the stuff and they love that I love the stuff. So, okay. So I'm going to start by clipping up a section of my hair. Hair still feels a little wet down here, but we'll just roll with it. And I have kind of a lot of hair, and it's about kind of somewhere between, like, it's thick, but it's not like really thick. Okay, so I'm just gonna take about a section of it, and this is more of a review of this curling iron. I haven't used a real curling iron in forever, so I'm gonna run it over my hair. I'm gonna take it. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now, if this doesn't end up working, then I'm just gonna use it like I've seen how people will use regular curling irons with a clamp as wands. Getting that little tail in there is what's the issue. Let that sit. And my hair holds curl pretty well. As you can see, my hair is actually like pretty wavy naturally. And that's the curl. That's very pretty. It gets really nice and hot, so. That's very pretty. I like that. Yeah, those curls are gorgeous. I'm done. I forgot to spray. But it doesn't hold curl very well. It doesn't get very hot. I do wish that it got hotter. Because even just my straightener setting is on like 410, 420. So if you can see, like, my bottom layer is already starting to go straight, or the curl to fall out, which is kind of annoying because I paid, like, like I said, I paid $80 for this curling iron. I don't know if I'm gonna end up keeping it. And whenever it's brand new to Sephora, so there weren't that many reviews on it yet, but I kept checking back on the days after I bought it, and a couple of the reviews were that it doesn't get very hot, and the curls don't hold. They look good for a while, but then they go straight. And that's what I was like, well, I have really curly hair anyway, so it probably won't do that to me, but here they are, kind of falling out, and so I don't know, but I will, if I end up returning it, I will let you guys know, just because, like, that's annoying. Like, I just curled that piece. It's already pretty, it's already kind of going straight, so I don't know. We'll just see. I really want a good clamp curling iron because it does give me a lot of body, but I do wish this would have been like a 1-inch barrel or something instead of a 1 1/4. And yeah, so like I said, look at that. That's freaking annoying. So I don't know. We'll just see. I'm gonna be going out and watching a show tonight. I'll come back and we'll see how my hair looks at the end of the night, and I will let you guys know how it goes. Okay, bye. So this is my hair at the end of the night. I've already got my makeup and everything taken off, and don't mind my dirty ass mirror. But this is my makeup, or my hair. It is only like 11 something, almost midnight. This is what it looks like, and like I said, my hair holds curl pretty good. It kind of does give you like sexy Victoria's Secret curls, but I mean, if that's not what you're wanting, if that's not what you're wanting to buy this for, then don't get it. I'm gonna use it a couple more times and just kind of see like what I end up doing with it. If I end up liking it, then I'll keep it. If I don't, I'm gonna take it back because I did spend quite a bit of money on this, and I would like to use it and like actually get to like it, but you know, so. Alright, that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Recommend me any kind of curling irons that you guys want me to try. That would be cool. I can feel a zit coming up on my chin. Oh my god. Alright guys, well, I love you very much. Mwah. I will see you next time. Bye.